Hey everybody, gwsmallwood, the Shaving Disciple. Sorry it's been a while, but I wanted to go ahead and announce the winner of my giveaway that I had going for the last few weeks. And while I was at it, I figured we would do a quick unboxing. So this package is my subscription package from 345 Soap. John made an announcement recently that he is going to be changing some things up and getting rid of the subscription service, at least for the foreseeable future. So I think I have one more coming after this, but according to John, this one's actually kind of special because I think it's got a new soap base for both the soap and the aftershave. So my unboxing instrument today is this pocket knife here. I have no idea what it is. Came to me from a friend at work, and this is pretty much all I use it for. So the subscription offering this month is Trench Lines. According to John, this is a tribute to Lacoste White, which I have never smelled. So let's go ahead and open this up. That is what it looks like on the inside. Pretty cool. Let's give it a whiff. Oh, that is very, very nice. Oh, I love cologne scents, and this to me is a fresh, bright cologne scent. Oh, that's wonderful. Thanks, John. This is awesome. The reason I'm a subscriber to 345 Soaps is because I've only had like 2 or 3 misses in the past year's worth of subscriptions. And that includes a couple of soaps I got that weren't part of the subscription service. So John tends to make scents that I really, really enjoy, which is one of the reasons I buy from them so much. So I don't have any details on the change to the soap base, and I'm not positive that this went into this particular soap. It might actually be going into the next one, which is the last subscription service release. But I can tell you that the scent on this is phenomenal. Oh, fantastic. And with my subscription offering, I get the aftershave as well. So that will be awesome. Looking forward to using this. So for those of you who remember, I had a giveaway going for a handful of Green Irish Tweed dupe shaving soaps. So I went ahead and ran that through the random comment picker, and the winner of the giveaway is Mike Parrott. I think I'm saying that right. It might be Parrott, but I think it's Parrott. Which is awesome because Mike is a longtime subscriber. I know Mike's a fellow head shaver, so that's awesome. I'm looking forward to sending these your way, Mike, and getting your thoughts on them. So you can send me an email at tsd@gwsmallwood.com. I'll put it on the screen here, tsd@gwsmallwood.com. So shoot me an email and send me your address, and I'll get these out to you as soon as I can. Once again, really looking forward to Trench Lines. I think this releases to the public in a week or 2. Thanks everyone. I'll see you again soon.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.